back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. I'm going to be sharing with you an updated one-year review on my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. I am so excited for this because it is my most worn bag. I can't believe it's been 1 year already. I did purchase this last year around the same time as a gift to myself for getting a new job. It was a little celebratory gift. So since then, I cannot believe how often I've been wearing it. It's pretty much been my everyday go-to bag, and I've taken it with me everywhere on vacation. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you some of the pros, cons, the way that I wear it the most, and just kind of dive into all the specs and details. So I know when I am researching a bag that I want to purchase, it's always so helpful not to just look at the unboxings and reviews, but to see what it's like having the bag after having had it for a year or two. I feel like these videos are so much more helpful than the initial unboxing, so I'll go ahead and jump right into it. Also, if you aren't subscribed already, I do post new videos every single week about fashion, outfit inspo, and travel vlogs, so I would love for you to give my channel a subscribe. Okay, so here she is. It has been out of the box ever since I've purchased it. Again, this is my most worn bag. I genuinely mean it when I say I wear this every single day. If I'm wearing an outfit that maybe has a different style, or maybe I need to wear black more instead of brown, then of course I'll swap out the items and use a different bag. But for my everyday purposes, I find that this is the perfect in-between size from a mini bag or a big shoulder bag. And while it looks really small, I find that the storage on this bag is so helpful because it has two different purses attached to one. This is what the bag looks like up close. This is the wear and tear after having worn it probably every single day for the last year. The only real wear and tear that I've noticed is that the front part of the logo, or this brown piece of leather right here, is starting to get a little bit darker than the one in the back, for obvious reasons, because when I am carrying the bag, my clothing and my arm is rubbing on this part of the bag. This gets first contact. Other than that, for the amount of wear and tear I've put this through, it hasn't really gone through any serious damage. I do have to say that the leather right here is folding in from carrying the bag this way, so as you can see, it's bending in naturally because when I carry the bag, that's the direction it's going in. So that's really the only thing I have to say as far as wear and tear. I do want to say that the zipper right there is getting a little dark, but hardly anything noticeable. As you can tell, I don't have the strap and the coin wallet attached to it. I'll pull that out in just a moment, but the reason I don't have it attached is because this is the #1 way that I wear the bag. I just find that this purse goes with absolutely every outfit that I have to wear. If I were to go down the line and pull out every single coat or blazer or blouse on this rack, I would have to say that it goes with everything. Brown is such a staple color. I actually prefer browns over blacks, so I find myself wearing this with almost all of my outfits. Now for the fun little details, I did get the green strap with the coin holder. I didn't get the pink one. Here is what she looks like. Well, you could see up close. And this is the coin wallet. Please excuse my nails, they're terrible. I had acrylic on them and I'm giving them a breathe, so they don't look the prettiest, but here's an up close. Honestly, I've never used this coin purse. I feel like hardly anything really fits in there. I mean, it's meant for coins, so it's not meant to fit a lot. I feel like I should use this, or if I'm traveling or going somewhere, I feel like this would even be super cute to actually have on my keychain or something. If I'm carrying like a bigger purse, I feel like this would be perfect, so maybe I'll do that. I always told myself that I was actually going to take off this strap and use it as sort of a camera strap for my Canon G7X or my EOS M50. I clearly haven't used it. It's in excellent, perfect, brand new condition. I've only worn it as a crossbody or a fanny pack, so to say, a handful of times. I want to say maybe 3 or 4 times I've worn it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and put the strap on, that way you could see what it looks like as a crossbody. Okay, here's what it looks like on as a crossbody. Honestly, I feel like this is perfect for travel, or if you're doing anything that might involve a lot of walking. I know I wore it this way actually when I went ice skating and we were shopping that day, and I knew I wanted to bring this bag and it just felt so perfect. I love that it feels so secure, so if you are traveling somewhere, it's really close to your body. You could keep it in front of you. Honestly, what's really nice too is you can remove the chain, you can remove the coin purse, which I probably would do. There are just so many different ways you you can wear it. This coin purse is actually supposed to go up here, but right now it's down there. So you can really play around with how you want to style it. You can adjust this shorter, so if you wanted it hanging like directly on your chest, you could do that as well. If you want it longer, you can. There's just so many versatile ways that you can wear this bag, which is so amazing. Honestly, yes, this bag I think was really hyped up and really trending for a while. In my opinion, I have to say it's one of Louis Vuitton's best bags as far as value for your money, just because there are so many different ways you can wear it. It's not just one shoulder bag and that's it. You can take off the strap, you can take off the chain. See, if you wanted to wear just one of these, you could as well, or you could wear the larger one or the smaller one. Really, you have so many options. Okay, now I want to dive into exactly what I carry every single day in this bag, what fits in here. Honestly, there's so much more room in here than what I actually make use of it for. So just so you can see, there is a lot of real estate space in there. I don't carry a lot, but I do have some bags that are smaller than this that actually don't fit everything in here. So again, this is why I carry this bag everywhere with me. Okay, so let's dive into the front pocket, which is pretty much where I keep like my lipsticks and lip glosses. So I have my Buxom lip gloss, my Bare Minerals lipstick. I have this Vaseline lip chapstick, Lip Therapy. I do carry a mini native deodorant, and then I have this mini perfume that I like to carry with me. So that's pretty much everything that I carry in my front pocket or in the front purse. In the back, I will carry my phone, which is somewhere in my apartment. I have this Yves Saint Laurent card slot, which is very minimal, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. I have my keys, a comb, a Bluetooth clicker for my iPhone, a pen, and that is it. I'm actually going to take this pen out because I don't know where the cap is and I don't want it to leave marks inside the back. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you. Overall, after 1 year, do I think it's worth it? Yes. Would I buy it again? Yes. My most worn bag, I clearly don't really have anything negative to say about it other than yes, it is still an expensive bag. It's a luxury purchase, it's an investment. So if it is something that you're looking to purchase, I really hope that this video was encouraging or helpful. I know that they've come out with a few different styles now. They have some in all black and all white, and then they also have the one with the pink strap. I'm not sure what the current pricing is for this particular one today, but I'll go ahead and link it in the description box below. As for the cons of this bag, honestly, I don't even know if I can say there are any cons other than it is going to be an expensive purchase, but again, it's something that I've worn every single day and it's still holding up its quality. I love wearing this so much. It's versatile, it goes with a lot of my outfits, and it just holds so much for having the size of a mini bag. I personally think, in my opinion, that there is a lot of value with this. I just think that I've gotten my money's worth out of it. If you have any other questions or if there's anything I didn't cover in this video, leave a comment down below. I do my best to answer each and every comment. Alright, I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. I'll go ahead and leave some more fashion videos, bag reviews that you can look at the end of this video. And until next time, I will see you guys again in another video soon. Bye!